today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your garden space app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. So then you come to apps here, and there you're looking for garden space app, or just click on search. Then here add garden space app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage here, come to storage list, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. Then you search here for Garden Space app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.